Hey everybody, we are in Henderson. I am right here at a house that's a single story in Henderson, which is great. It does have 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. So the rule of thumb is if it's a single story and has 3 bedrooms, it normally has 2 bathrooms. So if you have a 2-story with 3 bedrooms, then it will have 3 bathrooms. You'll have an extra one downstairs for your guests. So if you want to keep that in mind, so that's why some of the 3 bedrooms have 2 bathrooms. So we're going to go take a look inside. It's a great location. We are about 2 minutes from the freeway. We are about 5 minutes from all the restaurants. We now have Lazy Dogs and Applebee's here now. And also there's like 3 different steakhouses out here as well. And we're right by the Galleria mall as well. And there's the grocery store too, which is like a couple minutes from here, which is right down the street. So I'm going to go ahead and take you guys in and we'll get you started. So we are in Henderson, Nevada. This is a quiet neighborhood. I'll show you the neighborhood right here. You can see the mountains over there. It's so pretty. And as you can see, it's pretty quiet here. That's the main street right there, Trail Canyon. You can take that to the freeway. You can take it over to the grocery store. And it takes you right to Stephanie, which there's a lot of restaurants there too. Now this property, you can convert this area over here to RV parking, which is really nice. So you can put cement right here and a little ramp. So that way you can put your toys there, or if you have an RV. So it's a 2-car garage. We are gonna head inside. There's plenty of beautiful landscaping right here. There's a little patio too as well. It's all cemented, so you don't have to worry about doing that. And we're gonna go inside, and it opens up to a great room here. Here's the living room, right into the kitchen. I know most of you guys like that, so we're gonna head on into the kitchen. This property does come with the stainless steel appliances. There's cabinets here that are brown wood cabinets, and the black countertops. It's a lot of cabinets here. It goes all the way around. So you have plenty of storage. So the first bedroom is right here, and it looks like it's about an 11 by 10, and it does have a closet. This is the bedroom that's right up front. Then there is a coat closet here. And we're gonna go down the hall here. First door is the laundry room. There's a shelf here for storage. You can also put more shelves up there for more storage. And here's another bedroom. It looks like a 10 by 11 as well. Turn the camera around so you can see the closet. And then we'll go out here down the hall. Here is another closet, linen closet. Put your towels, your sheets, pillowcases. And here is the other bathroom. Tub shower combo. We'll go down here to the primary bedroom. It's a good size. They had a king size bed in here. There's also a door to the backyard. So if you want to put a small pool or a jacuzzi back there, you can have access to that. Here's the primary bathroom, double sinks, cabinets, lighting, and a shower. So we will head over to outside. Okay, so we're gonna head outside. Here is the patio area, which is already done for you. You could just put an awning. You could put the covered patio right here. They already have a doggy door if you have a dog. And a long backyard. Like I said, you could put the jacuzzi out there next to the primary bedroom. So I hope you enjoyed that property. Again, this property is in Henderson, centrally located, so you have access to everything right here, and about a 20-minute jump to the airport if you need to travel as well, and about a 15-minute drive over to the 15 freeway if you want to do some traveling that way as well. So it's close to everything, food and freeway access, and we have grocery stores and dentists, so everything is perfect right here around this house. So my information is right here. Here's my cell number. If you want to know more about this house or any of the other houses that we have, just call or text me. We'll be happy to help you in any way possible, and you guys make it a blessed day.